In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be quickly taking you through how to do the alternating seated hammer curl. Now, firstly, this is an exercise to work your forearms and also your biceps. You'll get a little bit more forearm activation than biceps, as opposed to when you do a regular bicep curl, you'll generally feel more biceps than forearms. So the main difference between the two exercises is, as opposed to a bicep curl, where my palms would be facing the camera, my palms are going to be facing each other when I come up into the curl movement. And of course, alternating means we're going to do one side at a time. And there's two styles in which how you can do that, and I'll show you both. Now, firstly, I've got myself sat back as far as I can into this bench, and I've got the bench as upright as it can be. I'm going to start off with my back completely in contact with the bench, so you don't want a space between your lower back and the bench. It doesn't matter if you're using light or heavy dumbbells, get into the good habit of picking those weights up with a nice straight back, popping them on your knees, feet together and knees together, so the knees then aren't going to get in the way of the exercise. And you start off in that position, bum as far back as possible in the seat. You've got the whole of your back apart from your head in contact with the bench. And I'm going to bring one side up, again, palm facing towards the midline of my body, slowly back down, and exactly the same on the other side. Really try and control the lowering phase of the exercise. Again, you should be feeling this in your forearm and bicep. Big squeeze at the top of the movement. Now, if you want to be a little bit more engaging with the exercise and work a little bit quicker, what you can do is you can start off with one at the top, and then as that goes down, you can alternate at the same time. So one is coming down and one is coming up at the same time. If not, you can also just decide to simply do one and then the next side and so on and repeat. That's how you do a hammer curl, seated and alternating, and you'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.